everybody, Helen here. I finished my craft room. It's not a spare bedroom anymore. So I just wanted to show you the results. So this I'll show you in a minute. And I got everything nice and organized, empty containers, temperature chart sitting on my desk, dresser's all nice and clean, has some of my light pads sitting up there, but I got everything organized. This stuff here is just for filming, just sitting there temporarily, but I got everything pretty much organized. A few little other odds and ends I want to get. There's another light pad, but there's just some of it. I do want to ask anybody's opinion on getting some more organizations going for small spaces. Like these are art dot drills that I bagged up so I didn't have to go through the boxes and find the ones. This is a drawing that's kitted up that I was doing and put away. There's more kit up, so all I have to do is open these boxes and go to the number I need. They are squares. Down there are the drills 2 drawings that are up there and in the cardboard. Down here is where I need the organization going on. Those are all drills for drawings 2 that need to be cleaned up and put away. I don't want to kit them all up, so I just have to figure out how to organize that. And then when I go into here, still need a little bit of organizing, but not much. There's my table. There's a light there for giving me some more light in my room. And there are my portfolios with drawings that are done and not done. My case, these are the art dot drills that I haven't put in there. My washi tape, all my glues, sealers, spare drills and drills for drawings, for bottles, funnels, all that stuff. And then down here, I have this down here done, which them are all kitted ups. Them are all kitted ups or overflow from kit ups. And then I have more stuff for using for filming. But yeah, my baby girls, one of my granddaughter's toys. And then that. Here's all my trays that are from Dreamer's Designs and spare trays I got through the other drawings, stuff like that, art dot trays. So yeah, that's how I got it organized so far. But yeah, if anybody has any ideas, any at all, to help with small spaces, more ideas to help make stuff more compact and organized, yeah, just let me know. And if you give me a minute, I can get out that big piece of cardboard that goes from there to there and down. And there's my little baby. He finally decided to make an appearance. So give me 1 minute and we'll get that done. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye because it's going to take me longer than a minute to get that organized. I'm going to say goodbye, and please leave any comments, anything to help me get more organization going on in here. It would be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Bye.